Imagine a life without disposables. A bit messy, perhaps. We do need them for a life on the go. They keep us safe and make sure we can enjoy good stuff wherever we are. So, being a company present all over the world, serving hundreds of millions of cups of beverages, we need to make not just cups, but all our disposables better for both people and the planet. Let us introduce our new range of IKEA disposables. A much more sustainable way to handle food on the go. Made from materials from renewable sources. A range that is much more in tune with Mother Nature. A whole family of new disposables with the ambition to phase out single-use plastic. Say hey to great food on the go. Hey.